Hey, seventh graders. So this past week, we were talking about the organelles in a cell. Behind me, you can see a couple different options. This page right here is Pinterest. Parents, we started talking about different ways to show our knowledge. So some students are starting to make some plans as far as how they want to build a 3D model. Students got a piece of paper that looks like this. I know you probably can't see this very well, but this is target 2. So this for structure and function. We have a target that says, I can develop a model to describe how the parts of a cell contribute to the function. So kids need to be able to know different organelles, and then kids need to be able to describe the function of particular organelles. So they are being given an option as far as drawing an actual picture, or some students are looking at some different creations, which is super exciting. Some of them want to use like food items, some of them have crafty types of stuff at home. I didn't want to make that be a requirement in case that was not available for all families. So last year I also had some students decide they wanted to show their learning by writing their own rap song. So that was kind of cool. So this next week, I'm going to be giving kids a rubric where they will be able to see what exactly I'm looking for and what grade they would get based on the effort they put into their work. This next week, I'm not really sure how this is going to work, but we're going to take and make some, I guess maybe flashcards in a way, with the different organelles so that kids can continue to build their knowledge about what the different organelles are and what they do. So behind me, if you remember, these are the two, this one and this one. These are the pages that we colored, and they give a little bit more description about the organelles. So if you have that paper at home, download the app Quiver Vision and see if you can build some knowledge there. The other thing that we talked about this past week is this acronym here of GOWN, and these are the 4 things that all cells need to do. Grow, they need oxygen, they need to be able to get rid of waste, and they need to have some nutrients. So this was the acronym that we came up with, or that I showed students. If you want to come up with your own acronym, that's cool too. We also finished, or not finished, but we spent a little bit more time talking about how and what it looks like when we have our different states. So if I am feeling calm or sunny, I am going to be able to think clearly. I'm going to be able to process directions. I'm going to be able to follow the expectations or the routines. If, let's say, I can't find my cell phone, or if I get tripped, or if something happens in the hallway, then I might immediately go to either stormy or cloudy. So we did spend a little bit more time talking about that this week with our polyvagal theory. Reminder that your cell theory discussion was posted on Wednesday and it was due on Friday. So I'm actually sending this video before the Michigan State game. So I'm sure it'll be an interesting match of competition. Looking forward to hearing about all of the celebrations that people do. My hope is that people are at least kind to one another if their team does not win. So anyway, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in science.